Okay, so we're solving for y. We're going to do this first example together. I want to get just the y by itself. So that means the 4x needs to move to the other side of the equal sign. So it's a positive 4x, so I'm going to do the opposite and subtract on both sides. The 4x is now gone. I bring down my y and my equal sign, and I bring down everything but in the right order. So bring down the negative 4x first. That 2 is positive. So here's our first equation. Y equals negative 4x plus 2. For the second equation, I want to get the y by itself. That means the 2x needs to move. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract it because that's the opposite. So now my x's are gone. I bring down this negative 2y, and I bring down everything else in the right order. So the negative 2x is first, and the positive 6 is second. Now I have to get rid of that negative 2 that's attached to my y. It's attached with multiplication, so to get rid of it, I divide everything by negative 2. When you divide by a negative, all your signs change to their opposite, right? So anything that's positive will become negative, and anything that's negative will now be positive. So negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1, and 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So these are the two equations that we're going to graph on the next slide. Okay, so let's graph it. Line 1, my slope is 4 over 1, negative 4 over 1, and my y-intercept is 2. So let's put the y-intercept on the graph, and then down 4, and right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1. I'm also going to go up and to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I'm going to put as many points as I can on the line so it's easy for me to see where they're going to intersect. It's a really steep line. All right, I'm going to switch colors and do the second line. So for line 2, the slope is 1 over 1. The y-intercept is negative 3, so let's start at negative 3. Let me go up 1, right 1. That was easy. I see right away where they intersect, so I don't need as many points for this line. These lines intersect at the point 1, negative 2. We will box it because that's our solution, and that is it for practice problem 1. For example 1. Now you're going to do 3 practice problems on your own, and you'll be able to check your work as you go.